Voyager announced they are going to file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So obviously not good. A lot of people have their money stuck in Voyager, not only crypto, but also money, USD, right? So both have been basically, stuck within the platform because withdrawals are disabled. So yesterday I just covered, and basically all last week, covered about the situation. Unfortunately, they have massive exposure to Three Arrows Capital, more than $650 million worth, right? But according to Voyager, they still have about $1.3 billion of assets on the platform belonging to the users, not belonging to them. $1.3 billion belonging to the users, but I'll get to that in a little bit. And about $350 million cash, again, held at a bank, but belonging to the users. And why do I say that? Because in this press release, it says the company only has $110 million of cash and own crypto. So that's what technically the company, being Voyager, holds. $110 million of cash of crypto. So everything else, the $1.3 billion of assets and the $350 million cash, that belongs to the users, right? The people that have deposited crypto or kept it there, right? So how is Voyager going to repay back people, right? Simply open withdrawals and let everyone withdraw? Unfortunately, that is not the plan. All right, so the plan would be this. The proposed plan of reorganization, upon implementation, resume account access and return value to customers. But no, they're not just going to allow people to withdraw what they have. So basically, they're be coming out with a new company with new shares, right? So basically, customers with crypto in their accounts will receive in exchange a combination of the crypto in their accounts, proceeds from the 3AC recovery, which could be zero, common shares in the new reorganized company, and Voyager tokens. So basically, if you had, let's say, $1,000 worth of, Bitcoin in Voyager, okay, or it could be 10,000, whatever, you're going to get partial, a little bit of that, of crypto back. And then you're going to get some of it from the Three Arrows Capital recovery, which could be zero. I'm just going to assume it's zero. And then you're going to get some shares of Voyager, which a lot of people in crypto does not want any shares in Voyager. But you're going to get it, and you're going to get Voyager tokens, right? So... And I don't think a lot of people want Voyager tokens at this point too, because probably not worth a whole lot right now, right? So that's a new plan, and I got to say that's not. I don't know. To me, I think that's not a good restructuring or reorganization or payback, but. They're working with what they have, and what they have is not a whole lot because all they have is $110 million in cash and crypto, which of course is nothing compared to how much they lost to Three Arrows Capital, and with everything else going on, I don't know what else, what other exposures they have, and basically be prepared if this and this has not been approved yet, so. The courts have to approve this, but if they do, get ready because you're going to get some Voyager shares and you're going to get some Voyager tokens, which, of course, they can inflate as much as necessary, as much as possible to pay back everyone, right? But you're getting Voyager tokens. And then you're going to get a small amount of your crypto back. And I don't know what that small amount is. It could be 10%, 20%, maybe 50%. Hopefully it's higher than that. But you're going to get a small percentage of that back too. So that is the new plan from Voyager, which, again, I don't think this is optimal, but they're working with very little at this point, right? So that's the latest for Voyager. Now, Voyager, of course, has a deal with FTX. We haven't heard more about that. They took a huge $500 million line of credit from FTX, and most think that after this, FTX will just buy them out, right? Or just take over. If you are new to the space and you're looking to buy your very first Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto, head over to CryptosRus.com and click on Best Crypto Exchanges. This will give you a list of all the major exchanges out there to choose from.